Hey there, YouTube world. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. Oh yeah, I'm doing fantastic here. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of yet another hobby of mine: collecting action figures. Yep. So I've been collecting action figures for a while now, and this just arrived from eBay. This is a classic action figure. So I want to make one thing clear. I actually collect classic action figures. I rarely buy the new ones because the classic action figures have memories for me. Because when I was a kid, my mom or my dad would, buy these for me, and I would play with them. So as I was growing up, I lost these figures, action figures. So now I'm trying to collect them again. So most of you guys would know who this is. This is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and this is Leonardo. And he's actually used, but look at him. Look at the condition of Leonardo, man. Wow. It's like he's right out of the box. I mean the real box. Whoever owned this really took care of it. So thank you, eBay seller. So these are his weapons. It's a complete collection. It's very rare to find a complete collection because most of the time those who open and play with these sort of figures, they lose the small items such as the weapons. So it's important to find the weapons, and then so yeah, why do I collect these figures? Because they're super rare. They're like super rare and super hard to find, and the only place you can find, they've even given a pizza for Leonardo, because turtles love pizza. Yeah, so it's really hard to find these figures online, and if you do, it's a miracle. So what I've done is I've actually collected the turtles. There are 4. So this is Michelangelo. I got him a while ago. So now I have Michelangelo and Leonardo. And I also have the very first one, Donatello. So Donatello was the very first figure that I had, even as a kid. So I got Donatello first. The only problem with this Donatello is his head is not, it's pretty weak. So whoever played with him, well, I don't play with them. I just put them in display, and and I like to look at them every now and then while I'm displaying them. So the only guy who's missing out of these turtles is Raphael. So I'm actually on eBay right now bidding for Raphael. So these toys are really, or action figures are really rare. So you need to bid them with a couple of bidders, like 16 bidders there bidding, and I'm also there. So I'm one of them, and I need to get this guy because this will complete my collection of this turtle set of the 1988 era. Yep, these toys are from 1988, so that's why they're so rare. And when you do find them on eBay, you find them like this has 1 day 6 hours left. So after 24 hours this will double or triple in price, going to almost $30. That's how high they sell for on eBay. I'm just collecting them. I'm not a seller, so I'm a collector. Maybe I'll sell them in the future, or maybe not, who knows. Oh, by the way, I'm not using my worthless Pixel 3a phone for doing videos and recording videos for YouTube, unfortunately. this phone is not giving proper service, so I'm still recording on my trusty old Motorola, which is still reliable. Go Motorola. Alright, stay cool everybody, and stay fantastic. Oh yeah.